Hi, I'm Alister Chapman, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Sony's PXW-Z90 and NX80 camcorders for live streaming direct to YouTube or Facebook. Now the camera that I have here is the PXW-Z90, and if you're not already familiar with this camera, it's actually a really great little camera from Sony. It uses a 1-inch sensor, so it gives you reasonably shallow depth of field for a camcorder of this size. It gives you up to 18 times zoom range thanks to Sony's clear image zoom technology, and really great autofocus. Now I took one up to Norway in the middle of the winter and it performed really well, allowing me to shoot very easily in some very harsh conditions. I was particularly impressed with the quality of the images that it produced, considering how small it is. Anyway, coming back to the streaming, how do we do it? Well, there's two parts to this process. One is to set up YouTube or Facebook so that it's ready to accept your stream, and then the other part is to set the camcorder up so it can send that stream to YouTube. And I'm going to use YouTube in this example, but Facebook would be very similar. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to YouTube. If we go to the Create button here and we click Create, there is an option here to go live, and we choose Go Live. And this will open the YouTube Studio settings, and from here we create a new stream. So I'm just going to call this Test Stream. I'm going to make this, in this example here, private, but you can see that this is where you would choose whether your stream will be public, unlisted or private. And if we go a little further down here, you'll see we need to select whether it's made for kids or not. I'm going to select no, it isn't made for kids. And then click Create Stream. Now if we go to the stream settings here, we'll see that there is a stream key and also the stream URL. And we need these settings to enter into the camera. So if I click this I symbol, it will reveal the stream key, which I'm going to need to enter into the camcorder, and then we have the URL here. So now we go to the camcorder. So if we go to the camcorder and we open the menu, the first thing we need to do is to ensure that we have a network connection. So for this example here, I'm actually going to set up a Wi-Fi connection. You could use wired LAN as well on the Z90, but we go to Wi-Fi set, and we go here and we go to access point set, and you can see we have a couple to choose from here, so I'm going to go to this one here. Now I have to enter the password for the Wi-Fi network, and then once you've entered your password, click OK, and then next and register. So once you're connected to the network, click OK. Next we go to the RTMP, RTMPS settings, and we choose a preset that we want to use. You can see here that preset 1 is chosen. Now go down to that preset, preset 1 in this case, select it, and now we set up the preset. So the size, this has to be 640 by 360 or 1280 by 720. Obviously 1280 by 720 is higher quality. And then we need to go to destination set, and this is where we enter the URL that we got from the Facebook page. And the stream key goes in the stream name box. And click OK, and OK again. Once you've set up your destination, we can just come back to this page. You should see an execute option. Choose your network connection. Then the camera will prepare to send the stream to YouTube. And now we see in the middle of the screen a notice saying STRM. That means the camera is ready to stream. But to actually start the stream, we need to press the thumbnail button on the side of the camera. And now the camera is streaming. And if we go to the computer and to YouTube Studio, we should see our stream begin. But do note it can take some time for the stream to get to YouTube or Facebook. So you can see that the stream is being received from the camcorder, and the last step is to hit the Go Live button here, and now we're on the air and streaming live to YouTube. To end the stream, just click the End Stream button here, or you can end it on the camcorder as well. So there you have it. That's how you set up live streaming on the PXW-Z90 and NX80.